In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the page unresponsive error on Google Chrome for Windows. This error can be quite annoying, especially when you're in the middle of something important. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a few effective solutions to tackle this issue. First, let's start with the easiest solution, reloading the page. This is something we've all probably tried at some point. When you encounter the error, simply click Reload on the error prompt or press F5 on your keyboard. While this might resolve the issue temporarily, sometimes it doesn't quite do the trick. In that case, go ahead and close the problematic tab, then reopen the page in a new tab. It's a quick and simple first step that might just solve the issue on the spot. If reloading doesn't work, the next step is to clear your cache and cookies. Caches and cookies are small bits of data stored on your computer that help speed up your browsing experience but can sometimes lead to errors. To do this, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome, then select Settings. From there, navigate to Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure the time range is set to All Time. Then, check the boxes for Cached Images and Files, and Cookies and Other Site Data. Finally, click Clear Data. Cleaning this data can free up space and help Chrome operate more smoothly. Moving on to our third solution, if you're still experiencing issues, you might want to turn off hardware acceleration in Chrome. This feature uses your computer's GPU to make videos and animations smoother, but occasionally it can interfere with certain tasks. To disable it, click on Settings and go to System. Look for the option that says Use hardware acceleration when available, and switch it off. Afterward, you'll see a button that says Relaunch. Click that to restart Chrome with the new settings. This tweak often helps resolve glitches and performance-related issues. Now, if none of these fixes work, it might be time to reset Chrome settings to their original defaults. This step is quite straightforward. Again, navigate to Settings and then choose Reset Settings. Click on Restore Settings to their original defaults and confirm by clicking Reset Settings. Keep in mind that this will revert all tweaks you've made to Chrome and disable all extensions, but your bookmarks and saved passwords will remain intact. It's a comprehensive refresh that can resolve underlying issues affecting Chrome's performance. By following these steps, you'll be able to smoothly deal with the page unresponsive error on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.